Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. So, this is the continued class of chapter 6. Okay, so this is part 3 of this series. Okay, so already we have started this chapter, and yesterday we did one topic which was areas of use. Okay, so for today, we are going to do mechatronics. All right, so let's move on to your page number 49. Okay, so for today, page number 49, and your topic is mechatronics. So the field of mechanics and electronics. So mechatronics is the combination of mechanics and electronics. Okay, that is mechanics and electronics together has given rise to a new emerging sector called mechatronics. So this together, that is mechanics and electronics together, form the mechatronics. Okay, mechatronics is a multidisciplinary field of engineering that includes a combination of system engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and telecommunication. Okay, telecommunication engineering, control engineering, and computer engineering. So this is the combination of all these engineerings. Okay, as technology advances, the subfields of emerging multiply and adapt. Okay, so जैसे जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ती रहती है वैसे ही जैसे जैसे एडवांसमेंट आते हैं देन दी सब फील्ड्स मीन्स लाइक कंट्रोल इंजीनियरिंग टेलीकम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग दिस आर दी सब फील्ड्स एंड दीज combine and multiply together and adapt means they change. Okay, so mechatronics aim is a design process that unifies these subfields. Okay, so mechatronics का aim ही यही है कि इन सब चीज़ों को unify करे. Okay, originally mechatronics just included the combination of मैकेनिक्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. स्टार्टिंग में सिर्फ इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन था, हैंस द वर्ड इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मैकेनिक्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. नाउ robotics explores the possibility of helping physically challenged people to overcome their limitations. For example, a mechatronic arm is being developed to assist people who have a problem with basic mobility. So अगर किसी को मूवमेंट करने में प्रॉब्लम है, दैट इज़ दे कांट मूव, देन दे कैन हैव दिस रोबोटिक arm legs. Okay, so robotic arms and legs. Robots have found an important place in the surgical procedures also. Unmanned surgery, remote surgery, and minimally invasive surgery has been possible because of robots. So कैसी सर्जरी इसके थ्रू पॉसिबल हो पाई है, दैट इज़ मिनिमल सर्जरी एंड अनमैन मीन्स जिसमें किसी इंसान की ज़रूरत ना पड़े सर्जरी के लिए, ऐसी सर्जरी. ओके, नॉट ओनली इट हैज़ रिड्यूस द पेन फॉर पीपल, द हीलिंग टाइम इज़ वेरी क्विक एंड द ब्लड लॉस इज़ मिनिमल. तो इस प्रोसेस में पेन कम होता है, हीलिंग भी जल्दी होती है एंड द ब्लड लॉस इज़ मिनिमम. Okay, now the surgical procedures are very precise and process requires smaller incisions. So जो surgical procedures होते हैं they are बहुत accurate होते हैं and these require very smaller incisions means जो भी cutting है वो भी बहुत minimal होती है. Virtual reality surgeries are conducted without hurting a real person. Okay, virtual reality surgeries होती हैं. Now the technology has been called by surgeons for practicing and mastering the techniques. Okay, so the term mechatronics was coined means that is it was used for the first time. अगर कोई वर्ड पहली बार जब यूज़ किया जाता है, पहली बार it comes into existence, then that is called coined. Okay, in the year 1969. So it was coined in the year 1969, and by whom? By Tetsuro Mori. Okay, who worked as an engineer in a Japanese company. So एक जापानीज़ कंपनी में एज एन इंजीनियर काम करते थे, तो उन्होंने इस वर्ड का इन्वेंशन किया. ओके, सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर. दैट इज़ एक बार रिविजन कर लेते हैं कि व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड इन दिस चैप्टर. अ मशीन दैट कैन एग्जीक्यूट प्रोग्राम्ड इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड दस रिड्यूस लेबर और मैन पावर इज कॉल्ड अ रोबोट. तो रोबोट क्या है? अ मशीन दैट कैन रिड्यूस that work on instructions and it reduces the manpower. Okay. Next is robot includes various electronic components, sensors, servo motors, and these all things. Okay, a robot designed to execute highly sophisticated instruction is referred. So Android, like हमारे मोबाइल फ़ोन Android ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में काम करते हैं. सो Android जो है वो भी एक तरीके का ऐसा हाईली सोफिस्टिकेटेड इंस्ट्रक्शंस है, दैट इज़ वेरी प्रिसाइज इंस्ट्रक्शंस. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ अ रोबोट नेम्ड डेंटी सेकेंड. कल ही पढ़ा था हमने इसके बारे में, दैट इज़ अलास्काज माउंट स्पर वॉल्केनिक इरप्शंस के बारे में जिसने बताया था. Emotion sensors have been developed that can now recognize the feelings. Okay, so emotional sensors भी develop हो चुके हैं जो कि अब लोगों की feelings के बारे में बताते हैं just by seeing their facial expressions. Robotics has gained a vital place in the environmental sector. कल देखा था हमने. The field of mechanics and electronics together has given rise to a new emerging sector. So mechanics and electronics के combination से mechatronics आया. Next is robots have found an important place in the surgical procedures also, like unmanned surgery, remote and minimal surgery. Okay. Next is the engineering, science and technology of robots. Their design, manufacturing, application is called robotics. So robotics क्या है? Engineering, science and technology of robots. That their design, manufacture and application, मतलब उनका design, उनकी manufacturing and their application means usage. Okay, that is called robotics. तो ये आपका यहीं पर ही पूरा chapter complete होता है, robotics and computer. Let us head on to the, so this was your classwork for today. Now let us head on to the slide that has your homework. So what is your homework for today? Till sixth question we have done yesterday. Okay, now seventh and eighth question are your homework. What do you mean by mechatronics? Okay, so here is the definition, simple definition. Okay, you have to write that. Now how are robots used in the field of medicine? So how are robots used in the field of medicines? So this whole paragraph I've explained you. Write any 2 or 3 points. Okay, so that is all for the class. Thank you and have a nice day.